Yo, what's up everybody? It's Your Name and we're diving into the future. Not like flying cars future, but the future that's already here. AI. Want to learn how AI can skyrocket your income in 2025? Let's dive into 10 AI tools that can help you do just that. This isn't just about automating your 9 to 5 either. We're talking about unlocking new levels of creativity and productivity. These tools will help you create content, automate tasks, and even start your own AI-driven business. This is like the Wild West of tech right now, and early adopters are the ones who are going to come out on top. We're going to break down each tool, show you how it works, and most importantly, how it can put more money in your pocket. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this money. The first AI tool on our list is ChatGPT, and let me tell you, this thing is mind-blowing. Imagine having a conversation with a supercomputer that can write just like a human, but faster and arguably better. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. It can generate different creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and answer your questions in an informative way. But here's where it gets interesting for your wallet. You can use ChatGPT to create automated content. Think blog posts, social media captions, even entire ebooks. Imagine pumping out high-quality content without lifting a finger. That's the power of ChatGPT. And the best part is, it's constantly learning and getting better. ChatGPT can also handle all your customer support needs. Imagine having an AI chatbot that can answer customer questions, resolve issues, and even upsell products 24/7. Talk about a game changer. So how do you actually use this thing? Well, it's surprisingly simple. You just type in your request and ChatGPT does the rest. Next up, we're talking Midjourney. And this one is pure visual magic. Midjourney is an independent research lab that produces a proprietary artificial intelligence program that creates images from textual descriptions. It's like having a digital paintbrush that responds to your every command. Imagine typing in a description like a futuristic cityscape with flying cars and neon lights and having Midjourney generate a stunning image that matches your vision perfectly. That's the level of detail and creativity we're talking about here. But here's where the money-making potential comes in. You can use Midjourney to create AI-powered art that you can sell. Think NFTs, digital prints, even physical merchandise featuring your unique designs. People are already making bank selling their Midjourney creations, and the market is only going to get bigger. And it's not just for professional artists either. Midjourney is surprisingly user-friendly. Even if you can't draw a stick figure, you can still create stunning artwork with this tool. It's all about learning the right prompts and letting your imagination run wild. Dive into the world of Stable Diffusion, a powerful AI tool shaking up the creative game. This open-source marvel generates stunning visuals from text descriptions. Imagine a photorealistic portrait of a woman in a sunflower field, conjured by AI. It's like having a personal AI artist ready to transform your ideas. Create unique digital assets for marketing, adding AI magic to your brand. Picture captivating social media visuals, website graphics, and NFTs. The beauty of Stable Diffusion lies in its versatility. Whether you're an artist or a business owner, Stable Diffusion offers something for everyone. And the best part? It's completely free to use. Unleash your imagination and let Stable Diffusion work its magic. Chapter 4. Canva Level Up Your Design Game with AI. Canva's not just for social media posts anymore. Their AI tools transform design and video creation. Say goodbye to design headaches. Need a logo? Canva's AI has you covered. Create videos effortlessly. Automate tasks and focus on growing your business. Dive into Canva AI and unlock creative possibilities. Chapter 5. Jasper AI Crafting Killer Content Effortlessly. Jasper AI is your secret weapon for conquering the content marketing game. Create engaging, high-quality content that captivates your audience and drives conversions. It's like having expert copywriters at your fingertips. Enter Jasper AI, your AI-powered writing assistant. It understands SEO, crafting content optimized to rank high in search results. Streamline your content creation process with Jasper AI. Chapter 6. Runway ML, Editing Videos. Like a pro, without the pro. Let's be real, video editing can be a real-time suck. But what if I told you there's an AI tool out there that can automate the entire process, making video editing as easy as dragging and dropping? That's where Runway ML comes in, your new secret weapon for creating professional-looking videos without the hassle. Runway ML is a suite of AI-powered tools that take the pain out of video editing. From automatically removing backgrounds to adding stunning visual effects and even generating realistic 3D animations, Runway ML puts Hollywood-level post-production capabilities at your fingertips. Imagine this. You're a YouTuber, marketer, or business owner who needs to create engaging video content on a regular basis. With Runway ML, you can say goodbye to those late-night editing sessions. Its intuitive interface and AI-powered tools make video editing a breeze, even if you're a complete beginner. Want to create a video where objects magically disappear? Runway ML can do that. How about generating realistic 3D models from simple sketches? Runway ML has got you covered. Chapter 7. Imagine needing to create engaging video content for a global audience, but the logistics are overwhelming. Enter Synthesia, the AI-powered platform revolutionizing multilingual video creation. Create professional videos with AI avatars in over 120 languages. It's like having a global team at your fingertips. Break language barriers and resonate deeply with your audience. Synthesia's avatars are realistic, with natural voices and expressions. Just type your script, select an avatar and language. The platform handles the rest, delivering high-quality videos ready to share. Chapter 8. Copy.ai. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to killer copy. Writing compelling copy can be a real struggle. Staring at a blank page can feel like an uphill battle. But there's an AI-powered tool that can write high-converting copy for you. Enter Copy.ai, your secret weapon for crafting copy that converts. Generate high-quality copy for websites, ads, social media, and more. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your disposal. No problem, Copy.ai to the rescue. Input your product info, target audience, and tone, and Copy.ai will generate ad copy options. Streamline your copywriting process with Copy.ai. Chapter 9. InVideo turning scripts into stunning videos automatically. Creating high-quality video content can feel like a royal pain. The editing, the music, the visuals, it can be overwhelming. But there's an AI-powered tool that can transform your scripts into professional-looking videos automatically. Say hello to InVideo, your new secret weapon for effortless video creation. InVideo simplifies the video production process using AI. It's like having a personal video editing team at your disposal. No problem, InVideo to the rescue. Simply upload your script, choose templates, and let InVideo's AI work its magic. Create professional-looking videos with ease, even if you're a beginner. Chapter 10. Filmora AI, your AI-powered video editing assistant. We've all been there, stuck in a seemingly endless cycle of video editing, tweaking, and fine-tuning every little detail until our eyes water. It's time-consuming, it's tedious, and it can suck the joy out of video creation. But what if I told you there's an AI-powered tool that can take care of those tedious editing tasks, freeing you to focus on the creative aspects of video production? Enter Filmora AI, your new secret weapon for effortless video editing. Filmora AI is a user-friendly video editing software packed with AI-powered features that streamline the editing process and elevate your video content. It's like having a personal video editing assistant, ready to take on those repetitive tasks and make your videos shine. Imagine this. You're editing a vlog and you need to remove the background noise from your audio track. No problem. Filmora AI's noise reduction feature can handle that with a single click. Or maybe you need to add some cool transitions and effects to your footage. Filmora AI offers a library of AI-powered effects that are sure to impress. Outro. The future is now. Start building your AI-powered business today. So there you have it. 10 AI tools that can help you make serious bank in 2025 and beyond. And the best part is, this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more mind-blowing tools and opportunities to emerge. But here's the thing. The real winners in the AI revolution won't be those who simply watch from the sidelines. They'll be the ones who dive in, experiment, and start building their AI-powered businesses today. Don't be afraid to try these tools out, play around with them, and see what kind of magic you can create. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI-powered insights, and let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. The future is now. Let's build it together.